This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming game version and preparing your tools. You need Funky Friday 2025 updated and a Roblox Studio account signed in. Make sure your bot file backup exists. Open the song or bot module you want to edit, then locate the controller script and asset ID. Once done, enable Studio's command bar and output for debugging. These steps let you change core parameters safely while retaining a recoverable copy. Follow them in order so changes remain testable before live deployment. Now you edit behavior. Open the bot's AI or input handling module and adjust timing, priority, and response tables. Change numeric ID, cooldowns, and animation speeds logically. Run small edits, then save as a new version. Use Studio's Play Solo and Server test to simulate multiplayer timing, observing output logs for errors. Make sure to increment version comments and keep a change summary so you can revert. These deliberate edits reduce unpredictable behavior and help you test interactions. Finish by updating asset permissions, applying final ID swaps, and running a full server client test. Once tests pass, publish the updated place or upload the bot package and notify collaborators of the new version. If visuals or sounds break, reopen the backup and compare asset ID and formats. Mismatched codecs or private assets usually cause failures. Make sure to check output and warn logs for missing ID, then fix and retest. This final sweep prevents live errors and keeps players' experience consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.